Hello, friends and professional. Let's welcome back with another simple question. I think this question, how many people can answer? I'm just waiting for your reply. Okay, question of the day. Which of the following statements is correct for item level plant? Let's go and check the options now. So, read one more time. Item level plant. Okay, here you go. Options. Material plan derived from item category. Plant is derived from shipping point. After delivery creation, plant can be changed in sales order. Plant is derived from customer master. All is correct or brand new option. Plant is derived from customer material info record and material master record. In this, probably all options might be correct or few options might be correct. Choice is yours. Okay. If you are okay with the battle, just comment the answer. Just comment the answer. If it is wrong also, I'm happy. If someone is attempting, if he is failing, he is ready for success. No one is attempting, I don't have mercy, and no one can help you in your life. If something is wrong, also choose it. No option. What happens? You'll get some experience and you learn from it. Success is waiting for you. If you really hope to correct every question, then you are perfect. God of SAP. Okay. So if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Keep on asking. So like this, I'm holding 442 videos. Okay. It's driving me. I will do some other things also. Okay. If you are really interested, you can subscribe my Udemy channel. I'm currently holding 3,632 students and 411 plus reviews. If you look at here, this is my course, SAP SD Sales and Distribution Plain English Detail. This is the place where you can land up with full confidence. When you are getting in, you will learn field by field SAP SD. Currently 309. I'm adding this question also over here. And I have another question if you are not yet introduced to S4 HANA. This is for simple logistics business partner concepts you can try. And if you're not introduced to real time, this is the place where you can land up getting mastered to write functional specification. This is one of the best course of all courses. Why? Because if you learn SD or PP, MM, any module for that matters, I have given simple SD examples, but document preparation is the key for your success. Write this SAP SD complete pricing concepts and one more SAP SD ECC or S4 HANA, S4 HANA expert advanced pricing concepts. You can try all these two courses. Stock transfer order and intercompany sales with full confidence. Like that, I have few set of courses. I'm just providing these links below of video. If you want, you can try. You will not be disappointed. If you really worried about something you don't understand, you can ask me in Udemy and you can write your queries through YouTube forum. Both places I'm available. Bless you. All the best. I wish you good luck. Okay. I wish you good luck. All the best. Thank you. Have a great day. Jai Hind. Love your country, which country you are, wherever you are. Jai Hind. Bless you.